Hi everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to make strike through text in Google Sheets. So let's started. At first, open your Google Sheets document file. Now we can see is we show that from the text this text from the make strike through. Now select from the text. Now going to the menu option. Now click for the structure option. That's it. Then I show that structure into the text. Then again another text. Now for select. Now click for the structure. That's it. Now again from the another text is the same process. That's it. Then ensure that make a stack through text in Google Sheets is very easy. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.